marks only ask me. Take out of 10 students. First ungrouped, like I said, ungrouped data, I'll discuss mean, median, and mode as well.
Okay.
This is revision of the 9th class one, but anyways, for 10th, in 10th class also, one marker, they can ask anything also. Not only 10th, they can ask any questions related.
Okay, sir.
So, ungrouped data, like let us take an example for ungrouped data, and we'll find out the mean, median, and ungrouped data. So, 10 students marks in maths we are collecting. As many 10 students marks in maths. So out of 20, let us take out of 20, 18, 8, 10, 15, 20, 12, 10, 10, 17, and 15. Or like let us take 90. So Asmi, I have collected the random marks of out of 10 out of 10 students. Of 10 students Asmi out of 20 marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasmi, arithmetic mean. There will we'll call these three things arithmetic mean. That is full name is arithmetic mean Hasmi, and median mode. These three will call it as central tendencies Hasmi. Their names are like these three will come under central tendencies. Means using this they will generally they will get some idea means, for the given data how the in general how the people have scored on an average like that. What is the median means middle value like that. Mode means most repeated marks like that.
Okay.
LS. So first thing has me now is arithmetic mean. Means simply I can write it as mean has me. They'll represent like this has me mean x bar like that. Okay, has me. So if the data, what type of data is this Asmi? Ungrouped or grouped?
Ungrouped, sir.
Yes, Asmi. So for the ungrouped data, Asmi, mean formula is given as sum of observations, by number of observations, Asmi. Observations are nothing but individual student marks which we collected here, Asmi. Those we will call observations. Or elements also can call sum of elements by number of elements. Okay, Asmi? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Asmi. So now sum of observations means what Asmi? You need to just add all this. Okay, 18 plus. You can add it in the brain also Asmi directly, or you can write like this and then you can add it also. Okay.
Okay.
So this sum of observations by number of observations means Asmi 5 plus 5. How much?
Sir,
10.
could you repeat?
Number of observations means Asmi how many students data we collected here Asmi? 10, no?
10. Yes, sir.
So 10 we have to write.
Okay.
So now we'll add all the numerator values Asmi. How much it will become? 18 plus 8, 26 plus 10, 36 plus 15, 41, 51 plus 20, 71 plus 12, 83 plus 10, 93 plus 10, 103 plus 17, 120 plus 19, 139. Yes,
Okay, sir.
so 139 out of 10. So Hasni, if you remember decimal shifting, you have idea now. Hasni, by 10 means you have to shift one decimal. By 100 means two decimals from the left. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So it will become how much? No need of dividing 13 point. When you're dividing with 10, 100 directly, we can tell the answer. 13
13.9.
point 9. By 100 means 1.39 like that. Yes, Hasni. Means what is this 13.9? Hasni, out of 10 students on an average, students score 13.9 marks out of 20 Hasni. That is the meaning of this.
Oh,
Means class average of these 10 students is 13.9. Means on an average, every student at least could get 13.9 marks. That is the mean.
Okay, sir.
So this is the mean value of arithmetic mean. So what is the formula for arithmetic mean in ungrouped data, Hasni?
In ungrouped data, sir, sum of observation by number of observation.
Yes, Hasni, that is correct. So Hasni, shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll keep the same data, Hasni. I'll
Okay.
keep the data same. I'll find out the median.
Okay.
Okay. It's not good in this. So Hasni, next is median. For median, Hasni, median means in general middle value of the given data. Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Middle value of the given data. So for that, what we need to do is first for ungrouped data. First step is either you have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order, Hasni, as per your wish.
Okay.
As per your wish, means let us take here. First, I'll arrange the given data. Can you tell the ascending order, Hasni? Ascending order means small to
Big.
and descending order is big to small. Our wish, whichever wish you want, whichever is also okay. So first, we'll arrange this data. Once, can you tell Hasni? Ascending order or descending order? Your wish.
Sir, ascending order is 8,
Yes, Hasni.
10,
Yes, Hasni.
3 10, sir. 10, 10, 10.
Okay.
Next, 15. Sorry, 12. No, sir, 12.
12.
15,
Yes, Hasni.
17,
Yes, Hasni.
18, and 19. And 20.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Hasni. Good. Now, Hasni, after arranging like this, Hasni, we have median, we have two formulas, Hasni. One is when even number of observations. Even number of observations is Hasni. Here, how many are there, Hasni? This is for 10 students, no? 10 marks are there, 10 list. So 10 is even or odd, Hasni?
Even, sir.
So when we have even number of observations, Hasni, median when n is, n we'll call it Hasni here, number of observations, okay? When n is even, what we should do is Hasni, after arranging the data in ascending order or descending order, you have to first find out the n by 2 value Hasni. Means median when n is even is given as, I'll tell Hasni, I'll write the formula first, but what is that I'll explain you. Okay.
Okay.
N by 2 plus n by 2 n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term by 2. This is when n is even. What is this n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 term by 2? Hasni, Alex. No need of remembering this complex way, but if you, once you understood, that will become easy. Hasni, n by 2 means simply Hasni, n is how much here in this data? Here, n is how much Hasni? Number of observations?
10.
10. So now what I am doing is first I am doing n by 2 the term Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
So n by 2 the term, n by 2 the term is
10 by 2,
n by
5.
is Hasni. So it will become 10 by 2 the plus 10 by this. If you want, you can separately find out and keep it also not a problem. This separately, this separate. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So by 2. Now Hasni, 10 by 2 will be how much Hasni?
So could you repeat?
10 by 2 is how much Hasni?
Sir, 10 by 2, 5.
Yes, Hasni?
Sir, it's 10 by 2 which is equals to 5.
Yes, Hasni. Means fifth term, fifth plus 10 by 2 is 5, 5 plus 1?
6.
Yes, Hasni. So fifth term plus sixth term by
2.
2. So what is fifth and sixth in this given data, Hasni? Fifth and sixth term
Uh,
means in this list.
12 and 15.
Yes, Hasni. So fifth term is 12 plus sixth term is
15.
15 by 2. 12 plus 15 is
27 by 2. Sir, is it 27 by 2?
Hasni.
Sir, is it 27 by 2?
Yes, Hasni. So 27 by 2 is how much, Hasni?
Sir, in decimals we have to say.
Yes, Hasni.
So 13.5. Sir,
Yes, Hasni. So here luckily mean and median exactly matched, Hasni. Generally it may be different also, little different, not much. Okay, Hasni? Means little means there will be closer only, but not much difference. Sometimes only, very rarely, but here means exactly mean before we it matched with median. So mean also we got this one, no? I think.
yes, sir. No, sir, mean we got is 13.9.
So okay, so then no problem. Little difference will come like this. Very sometimes will they'll if the name they'll match also. So very rare. Okay. If the okay. If the difference between these numbers is same, sometimes it will match also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So as now you can see you can check whether your answer is correct or not also. Like 13.5, like I said, median means the middle value of the given data is said, no? General meaning is the middle value of the given data, no?
Okay, sir.
So 13.5, you can see in this data, 13.5 is exactly in between 12 and 15,
Yes, sir.
middle. It is the middle value. It's not much closer to right side or much closer to
Yes, sir.
means it is in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Understood? It is exactly middle of 8 or like 20 means it's not closer to the right side numbers, much closer to the left side numbers.
Oh, yes, sir.
So 13.5 is the median for this data.
Okay, sir.
So actually when number of observations are even, if you confuse generally ninth class and we have to use formula for understanding actually. But for only median, you can do the sum without using the formula also. For
Okay.
ungrouped data, that is this type of data.
Okay.
So what is the way without using the formula is actually here first we should check number of observations. Number of observations is even. Yes, no, Hasri?
Yes, sir.
So first step is same. We need to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Now after arranging Hasri, you need to cut the numbers. One from starting and one from last Hasri. It's a cut like this. Then we should continue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now if you cut 12 and 15, everything will go now.
Yes, sir.
So even will happen when even number of observations are there. Actually, two numbers will be left in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Those two only average we should do as average because when you add these two and divide with two, we'll call average or mean only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Three numbers if you add and divide with three means mean of those. So here finally what we did see as
Oh, got it.
so with that formula also we can find the median and median values as.
Okay,
But
sir.
formula is required because they may ask in the multiple questions.
Yes, sir.
So that's why when even number of observations are there, lastly, this is the method also.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I delete it, Asri?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we will do is, Asri, you can see what is the formula when n is even? N by 2 the term plus n by 2 plus 1. You can here notice correct clearly, Asri, plus 1 is added separately.
Yes,
Each
sir.
odd, after doing n by 2, we will add 1
Yes, sir.
when n is even, and both of them we will do division with 2. If you confuse us, here writing all this complex, if you feel, what we can do is, you can separately find out n by 2 value. We will get it as n by 2 as 5. Okay, n by 2 plus 1, you will get it as 6 as well. So then you can read 5th plus 6th. 5th is what? 12. 6th is what? 5th. 5th plus 6th by 2 direct. If you are confusing, like if you feel this complex. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So actually now we have to, like I wrote, when n is even. When n is odd, also we should learn. So now
So once could you repeat?
this is for when n is even, has
Okay, sir.
number of observations. So when n is odd, also we need to know.
Yes, sir.
Should I delete this answer?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood it? Any doubt?
No, sir, I understood.
Okay. Now I am doing it for the case where n is odd has. That is odd means I'll remove one number from this list. Okay. Because I have to write it for when n is odd.
Okay.
So Hasni, what I'll do is I'll remove a number from this. Your wish, Hasni. Shall I remove 20 from this, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Only for this example, because again mode I'll teach it for the same example. No? So that's why. As of now, I'm cancelling this 20. So let us take these many are there when n is odd.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, what we should do is 20 I remove. Median will be equal to, this time only directly will, it is very easy Hasni. N plus 1 by 2 the term. You can notice Hasni that 1 is added in the numerator only with n.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now how many observations Hasni n here? N is how much? For this,
9.
after 9 Hasni, we took 9 only. Out of 10, we removed 1.
Yes.
We data is ascending order only now.
Sir,
Data
could
is ascending. Data is in ascending order, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So now what we'll do also in this formula will be 9 plus 1 by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
9 plus 1 by 2 means me 10 by 2. So which is 10 by 2 is 5. No?
Yes, sir.
So what is the fifth term has in the data?
So what is the fifth term in this, sir?
Yes, sir. In this arrange your data ascending order.
12.
Yes, sir. So answer is, we can see two, when number, you can see here 4 numbers are there, here 4 numbers are there. It is exactly in the middle. Yes, sir.
So could you repeat?
The right side of 12 we have 4 numbers, left side of 12 we have 4 numbers. 12 is exactly in the middle.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is called a median value. Before when even or there means we got two middle terms. For those we did again middle value.
Oh, okay, sir.
Here only direct one answer will be. This is when n is odd has it is direct one easy as.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now that method also will do us. Just a second. So 10 numbers which I wrote lastly. Remember
Sir, which numbers you told?
before we did it for mean, median, lastly. Those numbers remember lastly.
Okay.
After arranging in ascending order.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Asmi. Once can you tell those Asmi?
Sir, 8 comma,
Yes, Asmi.
10 comma 10, comma 10, comma 12,
Yes, Asmi.
15, 70, 80, 90.
Yes, Asmi. So we took it odd now. Asmi, here also Asmi, when n is odd also, when n is odd, you can cut the numbers from starting and first 1 Asmi. You will directly get the median. One value only will be left.
Yes, sir.
Before when we did the formula also, n plus 1 by 2, 9 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 10 by 2th term, is 5th term Asmi,
Yes, sir.
which is how much? 12. So like that. So the cut method and this is a formula method also.
Okay, sir.
So formulas clearly hotel and balance. Sometimes in the multiple choice they may ask us. That's why.
Oh, okay, sir.
Now Hasni mode has finally. Okay. We will do the mode. This is all for what Hasni? Ungrouped?
Ungrouped data.
Ungrouped data. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
So Hasni for mode also we need not arrange the numbers in ascending order like this. We need not, if it is not arranged also no problem. For median only it is must Hasni, either ascending order or descending.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Mode is nothing but most repeated observation, Hasni. Or we can call this as highest highest frequency observation. What is frequency, Hasni? Like for example, here in this data, 8 came how many times, Hasni?
So could you repeat?
In this data, 8 is there how many times?
One time.
So that one is called as frequency of 8, Hasni. How many times that particular observation is coming is called as frequency.
Okay, sir.
So 8 came one time, 10 came, Hasni?
3 times.
It's observation, will keep it with X, Hasni. This is frequency. 8 came 3 times. Frequency, Hasni. I'm writing roughly. 10 came 3 times. 12, Hasni.
One time.
15.
One time.
One time, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
17.
One time.
18.
One time.
19.
One time.
20.
One time, sir.
So, Hasni, here in the frequency column is which observation came many times?
3. Sorry, 10.
So, answer is 10.
Okay.
Highest frequency observation. Again, in a hurry, we should not write 3 hours. Highest frequency means what? Highest frequency is 3. Which observation is that?
So could you
Okay.
repeat?
Highest frequency is 3, Hasni. Means you should not understand that highest frequency observation means you should not write 3 again.
Okay.
Okay. So, yes, Hasni. So, Hasni, here, Hasni, we actually highest here students will make one mistake, Hasni. Highest I wrote here mode means highest frequency observation.
Okay.
Highest frequency observation, no? Mode means
Yes, sir.
so highest frequency observation means Hasni. Students will write 3, Hasni. That is wrong. Highest frequency is 3. Highest frequency is 3, but that particular frequency observation is 3.
Okay, sir.
So observation is how much, Hasni?
10.
10. I think you understood, Hasni, what I'm trying to tell.
Yes, sir.
Or another way is most repeated. Most repeated.
So most repeated
Most
observation.
repeated observation meaning is also same as.
Okay, sir.
Means most repeated here, which observation came many times?
Which number came many times? 10.
So that is your most repeated observation, 10. Okay.
Okay.
Is it okay? 10 actually. So because that is how mode will calculate actually. So mode can have multiple answers also. Multiple answers mean what? In ungrouped data, suppose for example here 12 also came 3 times. Then we have to write 10 comma 12. Means mode can have multiple values.
Okay.
Multiple means actually can be more than one, more than two, more than three also.
Okay.
Simply more than one also. Means but equal. Like for example, 17 is there 5 times and 10 is there 3 times, 12 is there 3 times, means 17 is only the answer.
Okay, sir.
Again, that is 3 means that we should not take. Suppose all the three are there 3 times again, then 10, 12, 7, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Node can have multiple values. It's asking in ungrouped data. Which data asking? In,
Sir, once can you repeat?
in which data actually mode can have multiple values? In
Ungrouped data.
ungrouped data is asking. So this is about the basic understanding of mean, median, and mode in ungrouped data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So